What's up guys, today is going to be a short video. Tomorrow we're gonna add, in the next video we're gonna add health bar, health and that kind of stuff. In this video we're gonna add platforms that are not deadly. Okay, so go into the platforms, right? Wait 1 moment, yeah. And now we can just duplicate this and call this moving platform. And I'm gonna change the color to something like this. Okay. Okay. And now let's make a custom block. Okay, so let's make a block and call this. What can we call this? Spawn platform and add dead movie and then add an input and call this deadly. Add a label. Call this level. So this is going to be which level this is going to spawn. Okay, so wait, I'm gonna change this a little bit. This okay. Add an input, call this level. And add another label, call this speed. And add an input, call this speed. And make it run without screen refresh. Okay, so now we have a very long block. Okay, now we're gonna take this if level put this in. Okay, so change to this and put in this here if level equals level, then create clone of myself. Wait guys, I'm trying to do something. Okay, this is good. If level equals level, then create clone of myself. And put if, and now let's make a new variable, call this let's say level spawn for let's say for all or for the sprites only. Okay, so set level spawn to level. If then level equals level spawn, and put here if then level spawn not equals level, delete this clone. Okay, so now we have that. Let's try it. Put a forever loop in here. Can take this create clone myself and take this and let's just put here level 3 and let's take this go to XY and let's put it in here. And now let's right click on this and click on edit. Okay, and add another label, call this X. And add an input. Sorry guys, this has to be a label and then add an input and call this X. And then do the same thing for the Y. Okay, so now we have an even longer block. Okay, for the x, I'm gonna put negative 80. Just put the values in here. And negative 32. And change this go to xy to go to x, and go to y. Okay, we have a very big block. Let's try this. Okay. Wait one moment, guys. Boom. Okay, let's try this. Okay, it didn't show. That's good. It still did not show. Oh. Wait. Okay, guys, I finally find the way. Just wait 1 second. Okay. And guys, it's better if you put the go to XY block in here. Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah. Let's make a new variable. Call this clone counter for all sprites. Let's just sorry guys. Call this platform current platform number clones for all sprites. Okay, so when green flag clicked, set it to 0. And when I start the clone, change by 1. And when it deletes a clone, change it by -1. Okay, now look, it's gonna count all of the clones in the platform sprites. Okay, look, it's 0. And I have a clone counter too. Wait, why is my clone counter not showing? 1 second. Guys, I don't know why my clone counter is not showing, but yeah, let's try if it's counting clones. It's showing. Look, it says clones 1. But why is our platform clone saying 0? It's because it only counts the clones in the platform sprite. You maybe think that's a problem first, but that's exactly what we wanted. That's what we need to make. To make it okay. Now it says clone 0 because it's not showing. Wait. What? Why did that happen? Okay, guys, you have to put the go to XY block in here. I don't know why, but yeah. Look, it's now counting the clones. And it's counting in here too. Yes, that's exactly what we wanted. Okay, so now 1 second, guys, my dad is okay, guys, just wait, I forgot it. Oh yeah, put if in here, or we can just put an and in here. Put an and here equal not is less than 1. Wait, no. Take the current platform clones and put 0 in. or one in here. Let's try that. I hope it's gonna work. Maybe it didn't work, but let's try it. See. Oh, there are two. Maybe we have to change this number to 0. Now let's try it. Yes! We only have one platform. And let's touch it. Yes, we die. Okay. Now let's make platforms are not deadly. Okay. So now let's set in deadly. Let's say yes for now. So a Y. And put an if then else in here. We can put this in here. Okay. Put an equals operator and take the deadly equals no. Then switch costume to moving platform. If then else, switch costume to moving deadly platform. Okay, and now let's make a variable and okay, but if we put an N, so no for deadly, that it's not deadly. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, it switches the costume to the yellow costume, but if we touch it, we die. But how are we going to do this? Because, yeah, we are using clones. But if we put yes in here, it works completely fine. Okay. Let's put no for now and fix that problem. Okay, so let's make a new variable. Call this, what can we call this? Wait. Okay guys, make a new variable. Call this deadly for all sprites. And at the, here set deadly to deadly. So, now let's go to the player sprite. Let's put here, where is it? Here. Touching platform. Here, as you can see, when I was talking forever, if touching platforms, stop all. Put an and in here equals yes. But here deadly. Let's try that. Now let's put an and in here for no. Okay, let's try that. Okay, but we can go through it. Let's fix that problem now. Go into the player sprite. You can just duplicate this and change it to a no. Go to the move X and put this and delete this from the move Y and just duplicate this and put this. Okay, now let's see if we can go through it. It's a little bit laggy, but no, it's not that laggy. Okay, wait. No, why is it not working? I don't know. At least. Okay. Guys, we gotta put an change this and to an or and put an end block and touching platforms. Okay, a very long block. Yeah, this is a very long block. Just duplicate this and put it in the move X. Okay. Now let's see if we can go through it. Wait, no, it's very good. We're gonna fix this this problem right here in a future episode. Yeah, it's not a big problem for now. Okay, so let's take the apple another time and it disappears. Yes, that's exactly what we want. And now let's make speed. Here you put how fast you want it. I'm gonna do 3 and put another variable. Put a set speed 2. No, platform speed 2. Speed. Okay, let's try that. Okay, we can delete these. Oh no, not delete them. Just hide these variables, but don't hide the level variable. I'm gonna put the level variable here. Okay, now let's try this. Okay, let's take the apple. And again. And here we have our platform. And it's a little bit slower because we put it speed 3. And you can do lots of things with this. And guys, we still can create lots of platforms. This is not the last platform episode. No, we're gonna make more. I said in the beginning of the video that this is going to be a short episode, but it's very long. Yeah, so sorry for that, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.